Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to try my first mending project. I have these Carhartt shorts that I work around the house in, do all kinds of projects, and over the years they have worn out in the rub area. And I'm going to take this piece of cloth and try to mend the spot. And Tig here, my kitten, is going to help me. maybe she'll help me. We'll see. For all you experienced seamsters and seamstresses out there, sewing experts, please feel free to leave a comment below with any tips or tricks or advice you have for me. I imagine the first one will be don't sew with a kitten, because he won't get any work done. That one I got down. All right, so since I'm just playing around, experimenting, I got poly 95 heavy duty thread, a denim needle. This is my 1956 Morse TZ5 sewing machine, and like I said, I don't exactly know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna fake it, I think. That's going to be super obvious with the black thread, but hey, it's okay because I just wear these around the house. Looks like this isn't too bad. I mean, it doesn't look great, but it doesn't look too bad over here. I'm gonna put it in and run up and down this side a few times to try to lock that together. I suspect if I run it up and down here a few times that it will hold for what I am doing, which is just work around the house and the shop and yard work and etc. etc. All right. I don't know if that's a legit thing to do or if it's a technique, but I just ran around the edge with a zigzag to try to hold down the edge of the fabric. I couldn't hear I couldn't hear because of this thick portion. Of course, it looks crazy from this side, but I'm okay with that. I am just fine. All right, patched some shorts in the nether regions that wore out. These are Carhartt shorts. I wear them for yard work and mucking around. I took a piece of cloth and stitched it on the inside. I probably won't go out in public except maybe Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, you know, the classy places. Anyway, so all of you who are experienced sewers, give me some feedback down in the comments. Let me know what I could do better next time, and other than practice, because I know I need practice. I need to get some time on the pedal, some time on the machine, and just learn. Like any skill, it takes practice. But this is fun. I like to tinker and play around. So peace out. Take care, everyone. Go out there and make something. All right. Bye.